Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing lots of cooking and prepping for the week. I have 5 recipes that I will be making today that include breakfast burritos, applesauce muffins, biscuits, a couple loaves of bread, and homemade Uncrustables. Let's jump right in. So I've got everything ready to go. I've got recipes printed out, everything sectioned for what I'm going to make today. This is everything on my counter. Let's get started. First, I am gonna make the applesauce muffins. Muffins in the oven and they are cooking. Oh, I forgot to set a timer. Hey Siri, set a timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes doesn't matter.
Okay, so they're in there ready, getting cooked and ready to go. And next I am going to be making biscuits. So right here is where I realized that I really messed up, and you are absolutely not supposed to mix your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients when you are making biscuits. I want y'all to know that I was absolutely fighting for all of my existence trying to get this dough to come back together. I may look cool, calm, and collected, but I was in full panic mode. In the end, I managed to salvage it. The biscuits are very dense, so that was a mistake, but I don't know. I just had mom brain and I messed up, and that will not happen again. It's never happened before, so I don't know what I was thinking. Probably because I was looking at my phone and I needed to be focusing on what was going on. Okay, so I just got the biscuits out of the oven, as you can see, and my mother-in-law actually just came over and got the kids, so they just left, and now I am moving on to, in my mind, that's why I wasn't looking at the camera, because I'm trying to think about what I'm moving on to, but I'm moving on to making the loaves of bread. We're gonna get that out of the way, and then all I will have left is the Uncrustables and the burritos. Super simple. I've got both ovens set and ready to go, so let's get her done. So this bread recipe is super easy. All you need is your yeast. You can use instant yeast or this regular active dry. I take the cheat code way out, and I found this. I stumbled across this one day when I was doing a Walmart order. It's the Augustin Farms bread scone and roll mix. Literally, you use this mix, you add your yeast and your, I believe, baking powder and your oil, and you're good to go. And you do let it rise and do everything that it like normal bread does. It's just you don't have to mix all those other ingredients. It's already done for you. So I feel like this is just easy for me because it's like a super shortcut way. And if I want to make some bread and be quick about it, I can. So that's what I'm gonna do. I also think you can get this on Amazon. I'm not positive, but I know for a fact you can get it from Walmart, and I'm sure whatever your local store is, I'm sure if they sell it at Walmart, they sell it at your local store too. Let's make some bread. I literally had exactly 6 cups of bread mix left. Girl, I thought I was about to be fighting for my life trying to figure out how to come up with like making the rest of that. So good to go, literally empty. So I have my bread and everything rising for like, I think there's like 35 minutes left on the timer. While I wait for that to get done, I am going to make these breakfast burritos so I can go ahead and get it out of the way. I'm just gonna scramble these eggs up and I'm gonna cook the sausage. Actually, pro tip, if you've never tried it, cooking your eggs in your sausage grease, then you're missing out because it's delicious. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm just gonna roll up all these burritos, put them in a baggie once they cool, and put them in the freezer, and then we've got breakfast for whenever, because I am not a morning person and I don't prefer having to cook a full breakfast in the morning. So when we have stuff that's easy to just grab and go, that's what I want to do. Okay, so my timer for the bread rising went off right on time. I finished making like the last burrito right as the timer went off. So I was able to make 17 burritos, all not beautifully made, but they're made and the kids are gonna eat them and then they're gonna poop them out. So I don't really care what they look like as long as my babies are fed. I'm going to do the last thing, which is to make the homemade Uncrustables. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this to do the Uncrustables. I will post the link to these in the description box. It comes with 3 different sizes. This is the other size, and then the other size is even smaller, but I cannot find the little insert part for it, so I'm not using that right now. But this is just a regular size, same size as the Uncrustables you buy in the store. And yeah, it's a 3-pack, so like I said, I'll post it for you. But I'm just gonna go through, press these out, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. I'm finally done. Everything is made, everything is prepared. I just gotta put everything in bags. And without further ado, here is the finished product. Okay, so here's everything. I was able to do 26 muffins. I did 17 burritos, 10 Uncrustables, 2 loaves of bread, 7 rolls, and 14 biscuits. I almost forgot, but I definitely think that I did a really good job and I'm very proud. I cleaned as I went, so I don't have a lot of dishes to do, thankfully. I just got a little, like maybe 5 things to wash. Like I said in previous videos, always clean up after yourself as you go or after each meal. It helps so much, and I proved that today because I think that if I hadn't, I'd be in this kitchen even longer. I have been in this kitchen since, I don't even know what time it is. I've been in this kitchen for like 4 hours, off and on. I have taken a couple of breaks, but I've been in here for 4 hours cooking, getting everything done and prepared for the week. And I couldn't be more proud of what I did, all homemade. But with that being said, this is the end of this video. I am so glad that you guys came and watched me make all this stuff. I hope that you will use some of these recipes in your own meal rotation and that it helped you get some ideas on how to do things, how to prepare for the week. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up because that helps so much. And if you loved this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can get notified when I post. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!